What's going on, everyone? It's that time of day again. Let's go ahead and look at 10 new gaming apps for our Apple Watch. So for whatever said reason your phone isn't available, check out this list of gaming apps that you could play directly off your wrist to pass on the time. This first one I want to go ahead and show you. It's called LCD Games Alien Invasion. And once we launch the app, you notice the cool retro look they actually managed to pull off really well. It looked like an old school gaming watch kind of style, so it gives like a retro feel. The point of this game is to simply, instead of shooting, you're capturing. You gotta save your alien friends, rescue them, put them back in your UFO, and you have two different modes to choose from. If you 3D press, you have game A and game B. Game A is a really slow pace, but still quite challenging, and then game B, it speeds it up. And you basically just collect as many of your alien friends as much as possible, and if this happens, simply 3D press to start again. Overall, this is a really easy to use arcade style game. Now for our number 2 game, it's called LIFELINE Crisis Line. If you're looking for something to pass the time and want something kind of creepy but cool, then check out this game. You'll speak with a standard astronaut and try to unveil his predicament and secrets by choosing your response to everything he says. You'll connect to your app on your iPhone first, but once you do that, you'll start receiving the messages on your wrists. By progressing and tapping on each response, you'll dive deeper into the mysterious investigation to try to help Taylor survive by giving him instructions to explore Maroon ship and tell him which way to travel. It's a really great texting adventure game for anybody that enjoys this over a standard arcade style game, because there's multi questions to choose from. NEXUS Tile is our number 3 game I'm going to show you, and this game can be somewhat challenging. Alright, so the goal of this is to catch the block that you see on top of the screen with the numbers. You must tap on it when it's by itself, but at the same time you gotta continue tapping on the other blocks before they fill up the entire screen and you have to start over. So clear as many blocks as possible, and as soon as we see the little green block by itself with no surroundings or connection with another block, quickly tap on it and it will add up to the score. As soon as you tap on all the required blocks that you see on top, you'll then progress to a more difficult level. This game is ridiculously challenging, but because of that, it's really fun to play. And a developer note said that they're going to continue adding new levels to this, so if you manage to beat them all, expect more levels to get added very soon. But that's basically NEXUS Tiles for you. KEPLER Attack is our next game I want to show you guys. This is actually a really fun game I wasn't expecting to have so much fun with. Alright, so it's an arcade style game, I'll tell you that. You use your crown wheel to rotate your ships and shoot as many bad guys as possible. You can collect power-ups, and basically that's basically it. You just continue clearing waves after waves, try not to get hit by anything, crashing into a ship, a bullet, nothing. You basically just rotate across the screen, which I have to say, like, the screen, this design, the game itself actually takes advantage of the Series 4 screen very well. I mean, like, the edges look really nice and sharp. So yeah, this game has beautiful graphics, I gotta say, for a Apple Watch game. I think this is actually my personal favorite new game now on the Apple Watch, because it's really fast pacing, which is perfect for these type of games to play on very quickly and just constantly try to improve and beat your high score. Now, our next game is called Chess Play and Learn. It's a multiplayer chess game you could play off the Apple Watch. Now, I'm running watchOS 6 beta, so it's possible I was experiencing these issues because I'm on a beta. Because on my iPhone, I was able to play this just fine. But on my Apple Watch, for instance, whenever I was searching for an online game, it was supposed to notify me whenever it finds a match. Well, about 30 minutes later, still nothing. Even today, as I was trying it when I was editing this video, I still was facing this issue. So hopefully with you guys, you shouldn't face this issue if you're not on a beta. If you are, comment down below. I'd like to know if this is an issue with them. It's a good thing this game is free, so anybody could easily take a look at it, check it out, and see if it works for them. Make It Rain is the next game app that I like to show you guys, and it's really funny. When you launch the app, you literally just swipe to make it rain. That's basically the whole concept of the game. You quickly swipe the screen up to see how many dollars you could throw in a certain rate. And that's basically it. You literally just continue swiping until you want to beat a high score or see who could swipe faster on this very small screen display. Let's see if we could go to 100. God, this is a lot of work, but boom, fast forward. Yeah, I was able to reach 100, but damn, this thing, it's an odd game, but it's still really entertaining. So since this game is free to download, I'm sure you can find a creative way to start using this app. The next app I like to show you guys is the Magic 8-Bit 8-Ball. The Magic 8-Bit 8-Ball, there we go. And it's kind of like the previous game. It's like one of those gag games that if you could use it in a clever way, you could get a lot of fun out of this. So the Magic 8-Bit 8-Ball basically is just ask it anything you like, kind of like the Magic Conch Shell, and just wait for it to respawn. But that's basically everything to it. Now this next game is called Flick Fishing. I know there's quite a few people that actually do enjoy fishing. Me, I'm not really the fishing type of guy, but I still found this game to be very enjoyable to make it on this list. So once you launch the app, you just simply cast, as you may see, and just let the fishing rod go out and then wait until the fish bites and reel it in. Try not to reel it in too fast though, or else the fish will get away. You can see the weight of the fish and what type of fish you caught once you reel it all the way in. But other than that, that's basically the whole point to this game. So if you enjoy fishing, check out this game. Now for our next gaming app we're gonna go ahead and check out, it's called Nugget. And this is like a puzzles type of game. It's a thinker game that's really challenging actually. When you first launch the app on your Apple Watch, for some reason it tells you need to buy Nugget Pro. But once I opened up the app on my iPhone and went back to the Apple Watch, I didn't make a single purchase and I'm able to play it on my watch now for some reason. So I'm not sure if this is a glitch or hopefully not, but maybe they're gonna make this into a pay version if you wanted to play it on your Apple Watch. But as it is right now, you can freely download this and play it on your Apple Watch. Now, how you play this is basically you have to see how it says the color on top and you have to select the color on the bottom. Well, that's basically the whole point. Like, I mean, you have to read out the word, but don't read it. The color that the word is in, so if it's green, you select green on the bottom. So if it says green but it's red, don't select red, because what they're looking for is the color of the word that's written in. And you may also see font size too, if it's big or little. This game is overall very confusing but extremely challenging, and I find it to be very enjoyable because it's one of those thinker games you just have to really think, and sometimes it gets the best of you whenever you screw up. And did I forget to mention, it's also time. Your time, you have to answer these as quickly as possible, but that's the entire concept to this game, and it's enjoyable, I gotta say. Solitaire, the game. This is for those OG, old school PC gamers, I guess I'll call them, or just somebody who enjoys card games. I'm terrible at this, and I haven't played Solitaire in like years. I only played it whenever I was bored in class, to be honest, and I would happen to have a computer in front of me. Now this game is free to download, so again, if you love to play Solitaire on your Apple Watch, this application is available and it's free to download and give it a shot. The game itself plays really smoothly. The graphics, the images, they come out looking really nice and sharp. But again, I forgot how to play this, but if you enjoy Solitaire, you'll definitely enjoy this game, as it feels exactly the same like it did on the PC. So that's basically the list of the games I want to go ahead and show you in today's video. If you want to download and check out any of these apps that was featured in today's video, they will be linked in the video description down below, so you can quickly tap on it and go to the App Store and download it if you want to give it a shot. If you wish to suggest a game app that wasn't yet featured on any of these videos, feel free to comment down below. I'll be sure to check it out and possibly mention it in the next gaming app video. And if you're new to the series, check out the playlist of all the other previous gaming app lists we have covered in the past, as well as the other playlists of all the other very useful third-party applications available for our Apple Watch. But that's gonna be it for this video. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, want to see more, make sure to leave this video a big thumbs up, as not only lets me know, but that also strongly helps support the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video like this. But again, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.